This is going to make my brother so happy. He was a bigger fan than I was. What you looking at, babe? They got Duke Boys, they got Jesse, they got Boss Hog. There's the Boar's Nest. That's where they used to hang out at. So I was told that this sand right here actually came from where the original Boar's Nest was.
I believe it. You think the building's design is inspired off the Boar's Nest?
It's the same building. Yeah, that's where they used to hang out at. There's a replica of his garage here too. Probably to get the General Elite. No, there's not one that says Cooters. I want the Cooters garage. The white one.
Yeah, like they both say Cooter's garage.
This is what a child's bedroom would have looked like in the 80s if he was a big Dukes of Hazzard fan. Oh. Every Friday night we're appointment television for many families in the U.S. when the Dukes of Hazzard came on at 8 p.m. on CBS. I think we all know a few homes growing up that look like this. Seeing the Dukes of Hazzard thing song, it has a currency only $20. Cooters garage. Oh, that's today. I don't think we'll be here for that though. That'd be nice to meet them. Oh, here we go. Look, there's Cooter's garage. Oh, there's Cooter's garage over there too. That's funny though, you don't see the cousins on here. Cooter's garage. So that's what the outside looked like. That's a nice old gas pump. My fave, Boss Hog. The bank of JD Hog.
There's the shorts.
A Daisy Dukes hanging on the... I don't think those are hers.
No.
Prop and set. Oh, maybe they were, yeah, they weren't on film. They were prop and set. There's where Cooter with all his tools for fixing the, oh look, see? The whole garage. All the tools he would use to fix up the General Lee in case you need a door. Right now. Nice engine. Boss Hog's convertible 1970 Cadillac DeVille. Jefferson Davis Hog. Watch out for that music. We're playing some Johnny Paycheck. The Grey Ghost. They gave Cooter his own vehicle. And then if you look, there's the inverted rebel flag. That's the rebel flag of the West. Oh look, go-karts. Guess who this was?
Lieutenant Dan.
Daisy Dukes. It's her Jeep Dixie. This is truly one of my childhood dreams come true because I grew up on the Dukes of Hazzard, watching it with my little brother, who was admittedly a bigger fan than I was watching the Dukes of Hazzards, but we used to sing that all day. We used to love the intro. And we don't talk about the cousins when they showed up in the last season. As you can see, they're not even represented here at all. And they use different actors to replace the original actors after contract disputes. Very happy to be here. We made it. We made it to Mecca.
So we are here at Route 11 Potato Chip Factory.
Oh.
And apparently they don't waste any part of the potato. What all the leftovers, like the bad potatoes and the peels and everything, get sent to a local farmer to feed their cows.
There you go. Straight from the horse's mouth. Well, this isn't production. Oh, let's go. Ooh. Oh, that's by where we lived. I used to live right next door to here.
Oh yeah, that's where they used to be in Middletown.
Yeah. And now it's a cafe.
It's a good cafe.
So when you get up to the windows, you can't take photos.
Montezuma. We were having chips with potatoes. Chunks of salt. That's the salt they use, I bet. I'm not gonna miss an opportunity to get a free bag of chips, even though I'm gonna buy. What?
Potato chips.
Okay. Are we gonna buy some?
Yeah, we will.
Do we need a free bag?
I mean, I don't see why not. Free is free.
Okay. Are we gonna get a Route 11
I don't know.
t-shirt?
Those are kind of cute.
Yeah, we were gonna do a sample.
Oh yeah. With all the flavors.
Yes, please. We'll probably buy the bag.
I can help you guys out if you're ready.
What's it?
And do you guys like spicy?
I do. Yes.
Montezuma spicy flavor.
You sell that, right? The Montezuma spicy. Okay.
What's that?
Other flavors and 6 cents and then 12 and 24 ounces.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, we're gonna try these.
I think we should try the dill pickle one.
Let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna take my jacket off real quick.
Very it smells like vinegar, but that's what pickles are made out of. So
Oh yeah, that's better than.
that's delicious though. It's better than a. It's better than a salt and vinegar chip. I can tell you that.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna do the spicy Montezuma because I'm a spice king. I already got a little spice on my tongue. Ooh, that's good and spicy.
I'm not really sure how much flavor there is,
It's all spice.
but my mouth is on fire.
Wow.
Like my
Yeah,
nose,
it's all spice.
my nose is tingling.
Yeah, my nose is a bit tingling too. That was pretty dang
They give you these
spicy.
for free, say buy the water.
Yeah.
Huh?
They give you them for free, say buy the water.
Maybe.
What flavor would you like to try next, Jude?
Me?
Yeah.
Some vinegar, easily.
We'll grab it.
Let's taste it. Salt and vinegar. A lot more salt than vinegar, I'd say. That's good.
These suckers, we got out of there. I got a potato chip chocolate bar, so it's got potato chips in it and on it. And we got
hot honey cookies that are made with potato chips, and we also got the chocolate chip. And pro tip, if you like them on Facebook, they'll give you a free 2-ounce bag of potatoes.
winner chicken dinner. All right, let's go get. We're gonna go get some lunch. Bye bye. Bye bye, Route 11. You left my hometown. What you got going on here, babe?
Now this is hummingbird cake, and I don't know if you've ever had hummingbird cake.
No, I haven't even eaten lunch yet.
It's so good.
Okay, what'd you get? Kool-Aid?
It's naturally flavored soda. It's only 35 calories. So, I don't know, it tastes good.
Mind you, we haven't eaten lunch yet.
Whatever. No judgment. We listen, we don't judge.
I'm listening and I'm judging. All right, we decided to have lunch here at the Woodstock Cafe. Nothing major, it's just a quick stop on our way home. Jude got himself a, what'd you get, Jude?
Got myself a 117 brisket, side of chips, and a Diet Coke.
Okay, it smells freaking delicious though. I can
does.
smell it from here. Let me see.
Tell you what's
Flip it
on
around.
this sandwich.
Yeah, what's on this sandwich?
So it's sliced brisket, cheddar, red onions, pickles, barbecue sauce, and mayo on multigrain bread.
What'd you get?
I got the Jeremy Smithfield panini, and it is slow roasted, hand pulled pork with provolone, cheese, and beer mustard with a side of pasta salad.
As usual, I got a sandwich. I got a BLT, the cafe BLT, lettuce, tomato, and pesto mayo. So, gonna eat up. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Waiting on people so that we can go.
Whatever!
I'm ready.